Hello guys, I'm Parvi Opsumka and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, a volatile day as expected, although it was unexpected in the first candle of the day, right? I said yesterday that if we start moving below 41,900, 41,880, we could start going down till 41,600 and all those levels. But if you see, there was such a drastic move in the second 15-minute candle. I'm just going to show you in the 5 minutes candle. Yeah, over here if you see, Bank Nifty moved up from 41,780 all the way to 42,200 in just 3 minutes. That was a very crazy move. This candle was like it hit a lot of stop losses. I was very fortunate enough to exit at the right time, although my losses were a little bit higher than they should have been, but still, looking at the move, I was really fortunate of exiting at the right time just before things got out of hand, right? Um, Anyways, that is Bank Nifty, but what can we expect tomorrow is that tomorrow things could be a little bit volatile again, but that depends on where we open, right? Tomorrow, what could happen is that, see, first of all, Bank Nifty is in a range, right? From 41,800 on the downside to 42,700, 42,600 on the upside, right? So tomorrow, what could happen is that we may open with a gap up somewhere near 42,330, 350, all these levels. We may stay over here for some time, or we either could stay over here for some time and then start moving up till 42,500 on the upside, right? Or either we could start moving up from till 42,500 in the first candle, I mean from the start itself till 42,500, right? Because if you see in the daily chart, right, as I said, Bank Nifty is kind of like, if you see from here, Bank Nifty looks like it's gonna be in a range over here for some time, right? So now if we do cross today's high, then we can go ahead and test the upper range, the upper ceiling of the range, which is near 42,600 to 42,700 over here. So what you get, so tomorrow if we do open with a gap up somewhere near 42,000 350 and all those levels, then we could, then you guys can take a position over near 42,320, 330 and aim for targets till 42,500 on the upside. Now there could be a problem if we straight up open near 42,500, right? If we do straight up open near 42,500, then you guys can go ahead and expect that maybe Bank Nifty could go a little bit up, and maybe go a little bit up from here, and then there could be a profit booking which would push Bank Nifty down a lot from there. Or maybe Bank Nifty could straight up move down after the opening itself, because it is opening near a resistance, right? We are generally in a downtrend, and opening straight up near a resistance is not a good thing for bulls, because, right, because anybody who would have taken positions over here, their target may be near 42,500, so they will straight up start booking their profits as soon as we open, right? So if we do open with a very big gap up near 42,500 and all these levels, right, then things could get a little bit bearish. Then we could see some sort of a profit booking coming in, and then maybe we could see even 42,000 coming in for the day, right? um on the downside, again, what could happen is that if we do move down from here, then maybe we could go till 41,600, and then wait over here for a few days and then break down, right? So there is still a little bit of selling that could happen below 42,000 tomorrow, right? So what you guys can do over here is that below 42,070 is when you guys can go ahead and short half quantity, right? So if you're planning to, say short calls of 100 quantity, you guys can go ahead and short 50 quantity over here, and then add another 50 quantity once we get a 5 minute closing below 42,000. Once we get a 5 minute closing below 42,000, then you guys can go a little aggressive over here till at least 41,730 or 41,770, because that is from where the selling has started. That can easily be your first target on the downside. That is for Bank Nifty. Now, talking about Nifty, if you see, was not that bullish as compared to Bank Nifty. If you saw, Bank Nifty was moving a little bit kind of up throughout the day, but Nifty not so much, right? So tomorrow, if we do open the gap up near 17,980, 18,000, then things could be again same as we saw in Bank Nifty. We could see some profit booking over here because 18,000 is pretty near over here, right? So 18,000 will act as a psychological resistance, and so we could see some sort of a profit booking coming in. What could happen is that maybe we open at 17,960, all these levels, we pull up a little bit near 18,000, and then we see some sort of a profit booking, right? So that could be a very real scenario that could happen over here. Now, if we do open flat and start moving up, right, chances are that things could get volatile in Nifty because there is not really a lot of space, clear space for Nifty to move over here, right? We have 17,975, which has become a swing over here, which will act as a resistance. We have 18,000. So chances are that if we open flat or a little bit with a little bit of gap up and then start moving up, then things could get a little bit volatile in Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty, if you see, has a pretty good range over here, from a pretty good 200 point range for here to move, at least a 200 point range uh, from here to move, right? So for Nifty, it really doesn't seems like we have a pretty good clear range over here, right? At least until unless we go above 18,000. So yeah, that's for Nifty. And if we open with a gap down in Nifty below 17,860, then definitely we could start moving down from here and maybe even break 17,800, because then this would pretty much be a pause over here in the daily chart. I'm just going to show you. Yeah, then this could pretty much be a pause candle, and then we could start again our down move till at least 17,700 on the downside. That can be your easily be your 100 points target that you can aim for over here, right? 100 plus points over here. So risk to reward looks good if we open with a gap down near below 17,860. Then you guys can go ahead and short half quantity over here. You guys can go aggressive only below 17,825, because what could happen is that we could move down over here and then maybe we could get stuck in this range again, right? So if we break 17,825, only then go fully aggressive. What you guys can do until then is that short half quantity over here and uh, keep a good amount, like 30-40 points of SL in Nifty, right? So I guess that was it for today. Tomorrow things could be a little bit trending. The expiry could be a little bit trending, but that depends on where we open. I've told you guys again how things could move depending on how we open, right? So you guys can trade accordingly. So I guess thank you for watching till the end. I hope you liked my video, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.